friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem Chimthanawala. Today I want to share a case of headache. I had this patient who was suffering from headache, severe headache, and with headache he had a lot of vertigo, lot of nausea, with tendency to vomit. When he used to go out in the sun, the headache used to increase. Whenever he had sleeplessness, the headache used to increase. Whenever he used to stay empty stomach, the headache used to increase. Of course, if you repetize these symptoms, you may get drugs like belladonna, you can get drugs like bryonia, you can get drugs like glonine, you get drugs like natramur, veratrum, because in pathology you see this is a normal symptom of a migraine headache. One-sided headache, better by vomiting or with tendency to vomiting, nausea, aggravated by sun, sleeplessness aggravation. All the symptoms are a common symptom of disease migraine. So, and symptomatically if you see with throbbing headache and vomiting and all and weakness and all, you may get drugs like belladonna, gelsemium, glonine, aconite and all. But the most important symptom in this patient was that with headache he had sadness. The one question you must ask to the patient, what happens if you have a complaint? That is, what happens during headache? What do you think at that time? When I asked this patient, he said, I feel very sad. I feel sad about everything then. I feel that I have worked so hard in life, but now I have not reached what I have thought of. I feel sad for my family. I could have done a lot of things for my family. I feel sad that maybe I could help that person who came to me, but I could not help. Though he was a very positive person, though he had achieved great things in life, though he had helped a lot of people, though he would do a lot of things for the family, but still at that time of headache he always felt very sad, and he did not know why did he feel this. So sadness during headache was a very important symptom in this case. On further, I asked him, anything else you feel? So he said, whenever there is headache, the body starts aching. I feel very weak during headache. So whenever weakness comes, the drugs that comes in our mind is the acids. But it is not always the case, because don't be always prejudiced in your prescription. So he always had headache also during, he had weakness during headache. Now weakness during headache, you must remember, or I always think about drugs like antimcrude, drugs like silicea. These drugs are very important for weakness during headache. On further, I asked him, so he said, sir, rest everything is fine, life is going very well, but with this headache I am not able to do my daily routine properly. Now he had already taken a few medicines and he did not have any change, so he came to me. The whole case was taken, but these two symptoms which were the prescribing totality in the case, I took for prescription. I took for prescription weakness, headache during, and sadness, headache during. Now this symptom of sadness and weakness during headache is covered by one of the very rare drugs in amateur medica, and that is Thymus Serpyllum. Thymus Serpyllum. Thymus Serpyllum. Thymus Serpyllum. Now with this Thymus, the patient miraculously got cured in only one dose of Thymus 200, and in future if you got headache also, he had for maybe a few minutes and it automatically got better. This is what I learned from Thymus. Apart from this, there are two symptoms which I would like to share of Thymus, and that is menses in Thymus. Ladies are always thick and clotted, but they are scanty. The menses are thick, the menses are clotted, and they are scanty. These scanty menses I have seen in many patients whom I have prescribed Thymus. One more symptom, leukorrhea in this lady is always bloody, brown, offensive. I have seen a lot of cases of leukorrhea, brownish, offensive, thin, and scanty. The scantiness is very important. The menses are also scanty, and the leukorrhea is also scanty. This is a very important symptom of thymus in ladies' complaints. Leukorrhea brownish, offensive, thin, and scanty. In fact, sometimes watery leukorrhea also, but it has to be scanty. So these 3-4 symptoms you must remember in order to prescribe thymus: the leukorrhea, the menstrual symptoms, the headache symptoms. This makes thymus a very important remedy in prescribing in future. Thank you, and if you like the video, please do share and subscribe.